The future of power isn't just about energy, it's about survival. As global population rises, what will power the next century, solar or nuclear? One promises infinite, clean energy from the sky. The other delivers unstoppable consistency from the atom. Both could transform our world, but only one may dominate the future energy landscape. Solar energy is the poster child of clean power. The sun delivers more energy to Earth each hour than humanity uses in a year. It's almost poetic. The universe itself sends us free energy every day. Solar panels capture sunlight and turn it into electricity through the photoelectric effect, now powering millions of homes. No smoke, no noise, no waste. The beauty of solar lies in its simplicity. You can power your house or an entire city. It scales in both directions. But here's the challenge. Solar is intermittent. When the sun sets, the energy stops. Clouds, rain, and seasonal changes can drastically reduce output. That's where energy storage comes in. Massive lithium batteries or new technologies like molten salt and gravity storage systems. They keep power flowing when the sun isn't shining. But these systems are still expensive, material heavy, and limited. So while it's beautifully clean, it's not perfectly reliable, at least, not yet. Now let's look at nuclear energy, powered by the fundamental force holding atoms together. In nuclear fission, uranium atoms split, releasing millions of times more energy than burning fossil fuels. A single uranium pellet holds as much energy as a ton of coal or hundreds of liters of oil. That's mind-blowing efficiency. Unlike solar, nuclear doesn't sleep. It runs 24/7, rain or shine. It's what keeps countries like France and South Korea running smoothly with minimal carbon emissions. But nuclear energy comes with a heavy shadow: safety concerns, radioactive waste, and public fear. We all remember Chernobyl, Fukushima, 3 Mile Island. Disasters that scarred history and shaped public opinion. However, modern reactors are vastly safer, with passive cooling and automated shutdowns making meltdowns nearly impossible. The real issue now isn't physics, it's politics, cost, and perception. Building a nuclear plant can take a decade and billions of dollars, and storing nuclear waste safely for thousands of years remains a serious, unsolved challenge. So what are we choosing between? Clean versus consistent. Solar offers purity, renewable, democratic, and peaceful. Anyone can harvest sunlight. It's the energy of freedom, but it depends on weather, space, and storage. Nuclear offers stability, dense, constant, industrial-scale energy, but it requires trust, regulation, and long-term responsibility. Imagine it like this. Solar energy is like the heartbeat of the planet, pulsing with daylight, fading at night. Nuclear energy is like the spine, rigid, unyielding, always supporting the system from beneath. Both are powerful, both essential, but their strengths lie in different realms. The real future probably isn't a fight between solar and nuclear. It's a partnership. During the day, solar power floods the grid. At night, nuclear reactors quietly keep cities alive. This hybrid model could create an energy ecosystem that's both green and steady. And there's more on the horizon: small modular reactors, perovskite solar panels, and maybe one day, nuclear fusion. Fusion reactors promise nearly infinite energy with zero carbon emissions and minimal waste. Called the holy grail of energy for decades, breakthroughs mean they're closer than ever to reality. When fusion becomes practical, humanity will enter a new age where energy is abundant. So maybe the real power battle of the future isn't solar versus nuclear, it's humanity versus time. How quickly can we innovate and adapt before climate change forces our hand? The answer doesn't lie in choosing sides. It lies in integration, efficiency, and courage. The sun gives us energy freely. The atom gives us energy powerfully. Can we, as a species, use both wisely? The energy that powers the next century will define our civilization. Clean, consistent, balanced, truly sustainable.